Hey, Biosafety ambassadors! Are you ready for an intellectual virtual meeting series on biorisk management training in the context of COVID-19? We are here with eminent national and international speakers around the globe in collaboration with Health Security Partners USA. Series of the weekly sessions starting soon. One session every week. Total of 7 online webinars using Zoom.
Our lead facilitator is Professor Dr. Shamsul Arfan Kazmi and co-facilitator Professor Dr. Muhammad Adnan Kamperwala.
Here are some of the topics we are going to cover in this interactive online session. 1. Risk assessment for COVID testing facilities and biosafety guidelines. 2. Diagnostic testing for COVID-19. 3. Occupational health and safety for COVID-19. 4. Biosafety cabinets and COVID-19. 5. Research opportunities in a COVID-19 context. 6. Repurposing respirators and masks during a pandemic. 7. Biological waste management and biosecurity. Do attend the sessions and sharpen your biosafety skills. Login details will be shared with all our registered participants soon. Looking forward to the intellectual session with you all.